Welcome to HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Copland. Now, the market move for the session ahead is as follows. Now, copper prices have been on a tear higher since spring last year, and the hopes of a global recovery on an eventual global vaccine rollout has been underpinning these strong gains. So if Dr. Copper had to give its verdict on the global recovery, it would have said that better times are ahead. However, the recent falls in equity markets have some investors worried. Has the sharp rise in equities and commodities now been too far too fast? Furthermore, the huge rise in US CPI yesterday sent the US dollar racing higher, US 10-year yields racing higher, and Eurodollar futures lower on expectations of sooner interest rate hikes from the Fed. This should all weigh on copper prices. Furthermore, over the last 15 years, copper has had a seasonally weak period. And if this repeats itself again, and equity markets sell off on risk-off tones, copper downside could accelerate. So you can see here that over the last 15 years, there's been 8 times where copper has lost value between the 12th of May and 21st of June. So should you sell copper on these risk-off tones? Major trade risk. The main risk of this trade is from any risk-on tones, which will lift copper prices higher.